Hi everyone, here we've got TCL 20 SE, and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list, find the contact you would like to edit and tap on it. So let me pick this one. Now let's tap on edit contact here and tap on this camera icon right in the middle. And here we can either take a photo and your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you. Or we can simply choose a photo from the gallery from previously taken photos. So let me pick this option. Here we have to decide where we want to complete the action, so we can do it using gallery or Google Photos. I will pick the gallery just once, let's say. Of course, and give all the permissions, and now we have to find the photo we would like to use and tap on it. Again, we have to decide where we want to complete the action, so we will crop the picture using our gallery or Google Photos, and this time I will pick Google Photos. And let's tap on OK. And as you can see from this step, we can adjust the size of this square and the position of the photo, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this area is responsible for it. So just position it like you want to. Here you've got the switcher in, or which will allow you to rotate the picture just like you want, if you want even. So if you are ready, just tap on done. Remember to tap on save in the right upper corner. And as you can see, it has been immediately applied to the contact. After getting back, we can also see it on our contact list. Where's Lynn? She's here. So it is visible right here, and you will be able to see it whilst all incoming calls from that number. So actually that's all. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your TCL 20 SE. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.